Hello friends, there are some more ingredients in Power BI which are on-premises and cloud data. Data sources may be located on-premises or in the cloud. All hosts may be connected by a virtual network. Power BI can work whether it's in the cloud or on-premises. It integrates seamlessly with Azure cloud platform. It can easily connect it to any Azure services. It can integrate with on-premises or cloud data without any problem. So Power BI can work which are on premises or in the cloud data or on the cloud. Next one are on-premises data gateway. There are some medical financial files data set data should be on premises for safety reason. Medical and financial companies or data set we can't share. So, regulations may require an organization to maintain data on premises. Their data which is on premises may need to be accessed from cloud hosted services like Power BI service. So, the on premises gateway serve as a bridge between the data and the service. The gateway also work with other Microsoft services. Now, types of gateways. What are the types of gateways? There are three types of gateways which are personal mode allows one user to connect on-premises data sources. Access is restricted to only single user. Another one is on-premises data gateway allows multiple user to connect to multiple sources with a single gateway installation. And the virtual network gateway, multiple users connect to multiple sources and no installation is really required. What is the connection between Microsoft Azure platform and Power BI? Power BI can be used with variety of Azure services. Data can be sourced from Azure SQL database, Azure Big Data offering HD Insight and Azure Storage. So, data from Azure Stream Analytics and Event Hubs can also be fed into Power BI. Power BI reports and dashboards can be embedded into applications using APIs and SDKs. For example, Python application which references with Power BI dashboard. Let's wrap thing up now. What are the storage modes in Power BI? Power BI includes storage modes that determine whether the underlying data is cached in memory. Caching data can improve the performance for smaller data sets, but the risk is data may stale. Visualization query for underlying data source is not for actual source, it is for modifying data. So, caching data can improve performance for smaller data sets, but the risk is data may stale. So, there may be some changes in data set, but not pushed to the cache since all the data is available by simple memory reference. If the data needs to be near real time, not caching is the preferred option because there are some changes which are not in cache data which are appearing in the visualization but not in the actual data. So there are three different type of storage mode for datasets which are import mode. Entire table is cached and queries run against cached data. When you will load the data in import mode, when you will perform incoming videos on some data sets, then you will see entire table cached means you are using some filtering at the import level. Then after you create visualization. Another one is direct query. This mode is not available for all data sources. Data is not cached and queries involves on-demand queries against original sources like using SQL for a relational database. And the next one is dual. Table can be cached or not depending on the application on the context. So friends, I hope you understood what are the different ingredients of Power BI in last video and this one, on premises and cloud data, data gateways, types of data gateways, connections between Microsoft Azure platform and Power BI, and storage modes in the Power BI, DEX expression, and some basic ingredients like dashboard, data sets, visualization. These are the basic ingredients you should know about the definition, what they are doing, and the application of Power BI before going into the depth. So friends, thank you so much. I hope you will note down all these things and will understand what are they. Thank you so much.